Hey everybody, I have a couple of packages to unbox today. Both of these are from Realme. So this is the Realme X2 Pro, which if you follow my channel, you already know that I've tested this phone already. This is probably the best value in all smartphones right now. 12 gigs RAM, Snapdragon 855 Plus, and a 90Hz screen that is ultra smooth. But this is the Master Edition, which I have not tested yet. This is designed by Japanese designer Naoto Fukasawa. So he's quite well known as an industrial designer in Japan, and he teaches at a couple of universities right now. In the second package here, it's the Realme Buds Air, and obviously they are inspired by a particular product from Apple. I mean, it's kind of crazy how much they just cloned the AirPods. So the texture of this box is a little bit different from traditional smartphone boxes too. It's a little bit more matte and harsh than usual. I think it's meant to kind of resemble the cement back of this phone. Hey, welcome to the Realme family. Let's embrace a new journey. So we have a smartphone case here. I don't see why you would use a case if your phone's already made of cement. Oh wow, okay. So this is interesting. It feels like the kind of sandstone finish of the original OnePlus One. I don't know if you remember that. And I'm not a fan of the fact that the Japanese designer actually signed his name here. I mean, I like my phones to be a little bit minimal. I'm not sure about this logo placement too. It's a little bit weird. But this is definitely an interesting back. It is not slippery. It's very grippy. And it does not attract fingerprints. So let's see what else is in the box. So you have USB-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and then right here is just a fast charging brick. I believe this phone has 50-watt fast charging, which is not as crazy as the 65-watt that was in the Oppo Reno Ace, but this will still charge it up very, very fast. So that is it. No earbuds in this phone, but you do get a headphone jack. So this phone kind of has everything. 90Hz screen, almost bezel-less design. There's a little bit of a water drop notch right there. A large battery. I forgot what the battery was in this, but it's over 4,000. Snapdragon 855 Plus, 12 gigs of RAM, and a quad camera setup headlined by a 64 megapixel sensor. So I'm not going to go too in-depth on this phone because I already made a pretty in-depth video on the Realme X2 Pro like a couple of months ago. So I'll be back with another video if there's anything particularly interesting or noteworthy right here. Meanwhile, let's check out the Realme Buds. Wow, okay. So this definitely resembles an AirPod case. It's a little bit thicker, but otherwise the overall shape looks very, very similar. And these are the buds. The stem's a little bit thicker than on the AirPods too. I'm actually using the AirPods Pro right now, so the stems are even shorter. See if there's anything down here. It's probably just a charging cable. Yep, just a USB-C charging cable. So that's good that these charge via USB-C. I'm tired of gadgets that still charge with micro USB. You need to go USB-C all the way. So anyway, that's about it. I'm gonna pair the Realme, what are these called? Buds Air, and then just test out the sound quality, and then I'll be back.